Wow. My God. Million tractors with Christmas lights on. That's so cool. Another one. Blimey. Excuse me. There's loads! Millions of them! And God! God, Jesus Christ! What the hell? Interesting. God. I think that's it now. Wow. That is new. I've never seen that before. And so there's more coming. Jeez. Oh, look at that one. Hey. Whoa! What? Wow. God, there's hundreds of thousands of them. Jesus Christ. There comes another one. I've lost count. I really have. I've lost count how many tractors there is. This is unreal. God, you know, it's cold, but I don't care. This is lovely. Jeez. Oh, that must be Scrooge. Ain't got no bloody lights on. Wow. And he's like holding them back there. And Jesus. Unless they're doing the circuit, but I can't see how they've been going right round in a circle, because you can't really get rounds. Hey, you got that one, yes. Like it. God, my feet are getting cold, guys. Is that it? Oh, there's another one. Jeez. Very impressive. Wow. an army of tractors. Is that it? Is that it? No? God, I wish I knew this was coming. We've been out on that high road there. Wow, that's cool. Feet are freezing. I don't really want to go back inside and miss all this. Jeez, more. There must be. I'm just wondering if they are doing circuits. Blimey. Now they're slowing down, they'll be like stopped. Amazing. Well, we are in Norfolk, so yeah, it's pretty cool. That is cool. How many of them are there? Flipping hell! Hey, look at this! God, man, this is something. Now, is that it? I think that is it now. That was absolutely brilliant. Amazing.